Hey, we're here with Dibia DREAM STEM Saturdays here at Kreyol Essence. Come on in and join us.
We had a full house with Dibia DREAM today, partnering with Kreyol Essence. Got about 6 different stations, each teaching the kids something that has to do with STEM using hair products. Over here we got fragrance mixing with oils. Over here we're teaching kids the difference between having clean hair, clean scalp, versus having scalp with oil and dirt, how that can build up and cause possibly dandruff. And we got much more.
The great thing about Dibia is that every dream is different.
We have a supply chain where we get to learn how to put our box and make sure that our oil gets to you safely. An affirmation station where children are learning that their hair is beautiful, no matter the texture, no matter the core. We also have a station here where we're planting. Such an amazing experience to pair up with Kreyol Essence, Dibia DREAM STEM Saturday in a new way. How amazing is it?
I'm smart.
I'm smart.